Mike Draper here with J.Racenstein University, and we're in our hard water section of our class today. And what we're talking about is this product, Diamond Magic. Very popular. It's an excellent hard water remover, a nice pumice-based product. And I just want to demonstrate very briefly how you would use it. I'm using a white scrub pad. You could use a blue also. You wouldn't want to use a green, but any white or blue scrubby would work just fine. And what you do is just take and apply the amount that you would possibly need on a hard water stain on the glass, and we're just going to work that into that hard water stain. And I just like to work it into a circular motion. And you can kind of hear it. It's rough where the hard water is, and as that stain starts to break down, it starts to get smoother. So we just keep working it in until we're pretty satisfied that the stain is gone. And then what we would do is take our product, you can just standard window clean just like we normally would, mop and squeegee. And if we seen still that there was hard water spots still in place on the glass, then we would just repeat that application.